If this is what motherhood looks like, sign Rihanna up. The work singer gave fans a good look at her and A$AP Rocky's child while flaunting her bootydo baby bump. Taking bootydo to new levels, Rihanna captioned the video she posted to her Instagram story on Sunday, March 20th, along with the #Preggo hashtag. In the clip, Rihanna, 34, showed off her massive belly as it peeked out of her Gravedigger monster truck t-shirt. As Urban Dictionary is so handy to point out, a bootydo is when a young lady has a larger stomach than her backside, meaning that your stomach sticks out more than your bootydo. However, Rihanna is embracing this term as she prepares to welcome her and A$AP Rocky's first child. Rihanna also posted a close-up of the pregnancy glow on her face. It complemented her newest addition to the Fenty Beauty line. "I'm not gonna lie," she wrote. This new lip gloss color you up. #Bubble Binge is easily my new obsession." Rihanna flaunted her lips, the Fenty Bubble Binge Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream, and her bump. These bump videos come days after Rihanna spoke with Elle.com about motherhood and how the Real Housewives will be a major influence on her parenting style. Spoiler alert, she will be a major mama bear, one who will go wild if you get between her and her cubs. Heather Dubrow is so chic while being a mom, Riri said of the Real Housewives of Orange County star. "Just love the way that she just allows her kids to be who they are. And that's really inspiring to me." But Teresa Giudice, from Real Housewives of New Jersey, does not play about her kids. "She will flatten you about those kids. And that resonates with me a lot because I feel like that's the type of mom I'm going to be. Psycho about it." Related gallery. Rihanna and A$AP Rocky, photos of the stylish couple and parents-to-be. During the interview, Rihanna said that her pregnancy glow was chalked up to her being in her third trimester, meaning that she and A$AP, 33, will be expecting their bundle of joy sooner than later. Some fans think the two will be parents to a baby girl. Rihanna was spotted shopping at a Target in Los Angeles on March 15, and the paparazzi photographed her grab a tiny orange ruffled dress. Rihanna also checked out a wall of unisex baby socks and onesies.